Setting up your HP printer on a wireless network in Windows 7 using HP Easy Start. When you have fully unboxed your HP printer, you need to set up the printer with HP Easy Start to start printing from your Windows 7 computer. To successfully set up your printer, gather the following materials and information: a computer running Windows 7 and connected to the same wireless network to which you want to connect your printer, an HP printer powered on and in a ready state, an active internet connection, and the wireless network password or key if required by your network. Note: to set up and use your printer, it must always be connected to the internet. On your Windows 7 computer, open a browser and go to 123.hp.com. On the web page, in the product name search box, type your printer model and then select it from the list. Click on Next. On the web page that opens, click on Here for setup on an older version of Windows. Open the downloaded HP Easy Start file from the bottom left of your browser window. When the security warning pops up, click on Run. The HP Easy Start installation process starts. When the welcome screen displays, review the terms of use and click on Continue to agree and proceed further. You can choose to help make HP software better by sharing usage data, but it is not required. Click on Yes or No to continue. HP Easy Start will automatically search for your printer. HP Easy Start only detects printers connected to the same network as your Windows computer or those in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer and lasts for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. For printers without a touch display, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. To reset the printer network settings for a printer with a touch display, swipe down to open the control panel dashboard. Touch the gear icon, then touch Network Setup, and then touch Restore Network Settings. When prompted, touch Yes. Once your printer is in setup mode, return to your Windows 7 computer and the HP Easy Start app will automatically search for new printers. When it finds the printer, it will confirm it is ready to set up your printer. Click on Continue. HP Easy Start will ask for your Wi-Fi password to access your wireless network. HP Easy Start begins connecting your printer to the wireless network. For security, you will need to confirm your proximity to the printer. If your printer does not have a touchscreen, press the Information button on the printer. If your printer does have a touchscreen, tap the check mark on the printer display. HP Easy Start will now install the printer drivers. You can choose to install the full HP software and drivers option or the basic drivers option. Click Continue. After HP Easy Start installs, you will need to log in to the printer. You can find the printer password on the inside of the front printer door next to the word PIN. Enter the password in the password field and click OK. After the setup is completed, click on Finish. You are now ready to start printing from your Windows 7 computer.